Nung manton kang masanting nga pasal at manyaman na pamangan, metong yung Pampanga karimani mo naking listahan. Bukod pa ken, siksik liglig lamo naman din kaganapan na malyaring tagunan kaya ti probinsya. Antimo rin panayang kapiestan katuklunan ng Disyembre ing sinukwan at Giant Lantern Festival. Bukod yung dakala papasyaring at kanining okasyon, maragula mo naman kano yung impact da rin ikin lokal ekonomiya, agpangkang Rene Romero metong karing direktor na ni Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM.
These events are very important in our community. They draw tourists, and in fact, businesses are beneficiaries of these events. No? Kasi kapag merong ganong mga events, marami bumibili ng mga products and services of the small and medium enterprises, including our large industries like SM and the Robinsons and the rest. No?
Basikin datos na ni San Fernando PNP, miras laki na 10,000 katao nin tinagon kin Giant Lantern Festival niya milabas ang banwa. Mamasa naman ni Romero na emitok nang isuporta daring memalen at ni lokal na kapanibalan daring makanining aktibidad.
So I hope the community and the people will continue doing these events for our local economy and for our people. And we hope that PAMCHAM will continue to support this.
Samantala, marapat yung one-week celebration na ng Sinukwan Festival manipat December 2 hanggang December 8. Kabang midaon naman king December 16 in Giant Lantern Festival. Kaya Beliana Kanilaw, yakoy kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.